Sometimes they do me wrong, but by my faith I'll keep holding on.
Give praise to Rastafari, and all praises unto God. Give praise to Rastafari, and all praises unto God.
They don't know what to do. They fuss and fight for what they think is right. Life for them seems so hard. They don't know where to turn with lessons that they need to learn.
Give praise to Rastafari.
Zimbabwe,
Your praises unto God.
Try to find myself, journey and waiting.
Long journey, a long journey.
It took a little time to realize something wasn't right.
Something wasn't right.
How many years I've been without? Comes out sometimes in all my life. There was no one for me. No one but the Holy Ghost. And I know that as long as
He's my friend.
my soul will be secure until the day. Yes, I know that as long as
Joy is my God.
under the swings of love, I will abide. Zimbabwe, you ready for reggae? Life has been filled with the thistles and thorns from the day that I was born. With only my brain to carry on through the wind and storm. He said, if you wanna follow me, first you must forget that sin. Take up the cross and come. Let's journey into the beyond. Yeah, that moment, Zimbabwe.
He's my friend.
I know it deliver me. Let me sing again, my God. Deliver Daniel, my God. Deliver Daniel, my God. Deliver Daniel, I know. So nobody knows the troubles I've seen. Nobody knows but my God. And nobody knows the burdens I've been. Oh, yes, my Lord. Sometimes I'm on, sometimes I'm down. Oh, yeah. Sometimes I feel like a motherless child. Yeah. Oh, yes, my Lord. But because I live, yes, I can face tomorrow. Because I live, all my fears are gone. Because I know that righteousness rules the years.
Why should you worry when you can pray? Why complain when it's such a lovely day? Why should you cry and bad